May I now invite Mr. Pritesh Rao. He is the consulting academic head of photography department at Lermark Institute, a professional photographer in multiple genres for the past 27 years, award-winning graduate from the JJ School of Art, the youngest photo mentor for Kodak India to one of the senior most at Canon India, assisting amateur and professional photographers. He is the best you can have. Over to you, Pritesh, sir.
Good morning. Lovely. Can I have all these students in the crowd getting up, please, for a second? Only these students. Parents can sit down, please. Lovely. Lovely. Parents, please look up. This is our future. This is the generation that we need to support. Because the best support that we can give to them is by giving them the best of the education. Career is what they can choose for themselves. Education is what we can give them. Okay? Now, the students, please, I want you all to give a big round of applause to the parents who have brought you here. Because without them, without their support, okay, we can't be here. So please sit down and let's start off. Photography as a career is something which is very close to my heart. Why am I telling you this? Because by qualification, I'm an electronic engineer. OMG, right? An engineer talking about photography. Yes, because 35 years back, there were only 3 professions in the world. What were those? Either you could be a doctor, you could be an engineer, or you could be a chartered accountant. The moment it came to like photography કરવી છે, photography આર્ટની ફિલ્ડમાં જવું છે, શબનમનો ઝોલો લટકાવીને શું ગામે ફરીશ કે શું? That was the thing. By the way, are you all comfortable with English or should I go in with Gujarati? Everybody is a Gujarati or there are some non-Gujaratis? English? Sure, comfortable? Because I'm comfortable with 6 languages. Okay, so that's English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi. Marathi because my wife is a Maharashtrian. So I don't have an option. I'm a South Indian, so Kannada. And Swahili where I was born. That is East Africa, Dar es Salaam. So those 6 languages. So that it goes on that way. Studied electronic engineering. Gold medalist from Bombay University. Started doing his job with Kalyani Sharp India Limited. And then said one day, no, this is not something which I want to do. And trust me, 5 years of life is already gone. Okay? But now, I really appreciate the parents and especially I would thank the media. Why the media? Because there was one movie which came in. Which was that movie? Yes. There were movies prior to that also, but that was an amazing message-giving movie, a social message-giving movie saying to the parents that please let the kids do what they want to do. So, it starts off with photography. Tell me for one profession, okay, which can be a hobby also and which can be a profession and pay you also. Extremely few professions are there which can be a hobby and pay you too. Which are those? Paintings, yes. Performing arts? Baking. Yes, that's my daughter who's saying baking. Why? Because she herself is a professional chocolatier and a baker. Now an engineer's daughter who is a baker. So that's how it goes on. So let's proceed to our main session, photography. So basically I'm attached to quite a few places. I go to Symbiosis. I'm attached with UID, Gujarat, Karnavati. I'm also with Lermark. That's one of the finest institutions that you can ever think of. the moment it comes to photography education. Main thing is the broad foresight which they have. So what is photography? It's through a camera. It is a compelling ethereal collusion of events and artists. Emergence of photography around about 100-150 years back, and it has given. And why do you think this has come into existence? Photography. We have had almost everybody, all the speakers who came over here and talked, right from Raju ma'am to Drishti to sir who came in and spoke. Everybody said one thing. What was that? Everything needs to be documented. Everything has to be kept for posterity. That means you have to have proper pictures. And for that, portrait, I think, is one of the fantastic field. Everybody loves to have portraits, their own good pictures done. And it can start off with a corporate portrait, it can start off with a social portrait, it can start off with a speaker speaking or an artist or anybody, but he or she, that thing should be portrayed to the core of it. And for this, almost I think 27 years back, I did learn under a fantastic guru, and that guru was none other than Boman Irani. It started off with him teaching me the fine art of portrait photography. And trust me, as a guru, he is one of the most brilliant gurus that you can ever have had. And that credit, in fact, I give it to Kodak, because Kodak was the people who introduced me. That tame school photography karwana cho, a business tame karwana cho, so Boman Irani is one trainer whom we have identified, and I think that you should get training from him. I said, okay, fantastic, but who is Boman Irani? And then started seeing about his work and everything, and I said, wow, you can't have a better guru than this. And it's been 27 years. This is one business which is I am already in. Almost 19 years is a company which I have, which is into portrait photography, school portraits. The biggest drawback of this is you can't back out. Why? Because you start doing it, you are in for it. The school will take you in on one condition. Unless you don't sign a bond, till the time we don't have any issues with you, you can't leave our business. And that business is huge. Trust me, it's huge. Second, industrial photography. Any industry which has to survive or has to go, has to have documentation right from their, what you can say, for their annual reports, for all their projects, for the future projects, everything. They have to have the industrial photography done. Commercial photography. Anything and everything that appeals you, that you feel like going and buying, going and taking. Why is that? All the beautiful dresses that you see online right now, and you feel, wow, this looks awesome, I should buy it. That's the commercial field. That's what we call as e-com. That is one stage ahead of this. Advertising. That is one thing which right now I don't think so anybody can escape. Right now, whether you want it or you don't want it, you have to go on seeing all the commercial ads and everything, advertising, and that is a huge business, fantastic business. Fashion photography, yes. This is something which is like, I would say, a career in which if you can do good, it can give you plenty of money. I know, for that matter, photographers in India, fashion photographers in India, okay, who charge anything between 3 and 5 lakh rupees a day. For an 8 hours of shift, 3 to 5 lakh rupees. And that's not something which you can give off. And this, it starts off from the day you finish off your college. Because right now, being a fashion photographer doesn't mean that you have to go and do all the photography for Ritu Berry or go and do it for only Sabyasachi. Okay? Right now, there are tons of websites, there are e-commerce sites coming in, there are so many, what you can say, business house which want to start up and stuff like that, who do need good photography. And if you have the talent for it, yes, definitely, fashion photography is something that you could opt out for. Now just look, when I did my photography in JJ School of Arts, it was just photography. And right now, there are more than 40 options of micro specializations in photography. So that's over the 30 years of time. Then it comes to feature, film and journalistic photography, photojournalist. They say that one picture is worth 1,000 words. Yes. And here are classic pictures. This is again a classic picture which it does અંદરથી આપણે જેમ કે ને ઝંઝોડીને રાખી દે એવી images છે. Then comes in wildlife photography. Yes. It is a career which is again booming. It's picking up and it's picking up in a beautiful way. Wedding photography. Trust me, Boman Irani again did start out as a wedding photographer. And last week we were in an event in which he said that when I did start out, I felt ashamed to tell people that I'm a wedding photographer, but now I feel proud to say that I was a wedding photographer. Why is it so? By the way, if you do know, 2018-19, right now, there are at least 3 photographers from India. I wouldn't say just Mumbai, from India. And that barrier of 1 crore rupees for one wedding has been broken 4 times right now itself. 1 crore rupees for a wedding and wedding photography. That is not a field which should be left aside. 2, 3, 5 lakh rupees for a wedding for wedding photography right now is common. Yes, do you agree, parents? તમારી જો કોઈ મોટો કોઈ છોકરો કે છોકરી જેના વિવાહ થઈ ગયા છે એમાં તમે લોકો કેટલા સ્પેન્ડ કર્યો છો તમને ખબર છે. And trust me, everything goes off. That memory of wedding does stay with you forever. Photography career for girls. Yes, I would say it is a fantastic career for girls. And I would encourage girls to come in this field. Simple reason is I personally feel they have a more humane touch the moment it comes to photography, interacting with people. Yes, it is a fantastic suited career. Aerial photography, drone photography, what we call it as. Fortune India, April 12th, 2018, top 10 careers of the future. Drone photography is going to be one of the leading ones. Here are some field you can apply for earning a fairly good amount in the industry, India today. This is not something which I am telling. It's documented. You just start out the career, that's the amount you start making. 2 lakhs to 3.5 lakh rupees per annum. Starting out. That was way back in 2017. Now that amount is, an average monthly salary for a photographer ranges from 7,500 to 45,000 rupees. This is salary. Average professional fee charge is 10,000 to 50,000 rupees plus per day. That's what they do make. And Trends Research Group shows that in this field, the rise is 10 to 12% a year, continuously on and on from 2012 to today. That means last 6-7 years, it has been growing only. It has not come down. And you are obviously seeing like lot many photographers do come in. And that's the end of my session. Happy clicking and have great memories. In the afternoon, I'll be there for the session. I or Sagar sir, we both will be there. Any one of us will be there for the session. Please do make it a point to come and speak to us one-to-one, because that's when I'll be able to answer you much more in detail. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Pritesh sir, for this wonderful insight into photography. I'm sure they'll look at photography as a career now.